And Harper's teething, and she's getting a dill
Here,
pickle
baby.
for the first time.
The Democrats spend on job creation does the White House. It's nowhere close to 100%. We're not spending enough time on
Is that good?
She likes it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, she's like her mommy and daddy. Oh my goodness.
I can't believe she has not made a face.
Oh boy, you're like your mommy.
Mm-hmm.
That
She
feel,
likes that.
that feel good on your teeth, honey? Yeah. Ooh wee.
Then she,
It's
then
okay.
she made the face.
It's okay. Harper Gray teething on a dill pickle. Yeah.
I love it.